Are you tired of typing out your messages on your phone? Do you wish there was an easier way to communicate with others without straining your fingers? Well, we have some exciting news for you. Chatgpt is now available on WhatsApp and landline phones for users in the US and Canada. Yes, you heard that right. You can now use Chatgpt, the powerful language model that can understand and generate human-like text on WhatsApp and even on your landline phone. This means that you can have natural, conversational interactions with Chatgpt without the hassle of typing on a small keyboard or screen. So how does it work? It's simple. All you have to do is add Chatgpt as a contact on your WhatsApp or dial a toll-free number on your landline phone, and you can start chatting right away. Whether you want to have a casual conversation, get help with a task, or just pass the time, Chatgpt is here to talk with you. With its advanced language capabilities, Chatgpt can understand and respond to a wide range of topics. Whether you're discussing the latest news, seeking recommendations for a restaurant, or just looking for someone to chat with, Chatgpt is here to help. But that's not all. Chatgpt can also assist with tasks such as setting reminders, making reservations, or providing information on a variety of topics. Need help with a recipe? Chatgpt can walk you through it. Want to schedule a meeting? Chatgpt can help with that too. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, Chatgpt is available 24/7, so you can chat whenever it's convenient for you. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, Chatgpt is always ready to chat. Using Chatgpt on WhatsApp or your landline phone is not only convenient, but it's also secure. We understand the importance of privacy, which is why all conversations with Chatgpt are kept confidential. Your personal information is safe and secure, so you can chat with peace of mind. So if you're ready to experience the ease and convenience of chatting with Chatgpt on WhatsApp or your landline phone, simply add Chatgpt as a contact on WhatsApp or dial the toll-free number on your landline phone, and you can start chatting right away. We're excited to bring this new and innovative way of communicating to users in the US and Canada, and we can't wait for you to experience the power of Chatgpt in a whole new way. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, Chatgpt is here to chat with you whenever you need it. So what are you waiting for? Add Chatgpt to your WhatsApp contacts or dial the toll-free number on your landline phone and start chatting with Chatgpt today. We look forward to chatting with you.